Taylor with Agri drones, and this is the DJI C10000 charger. This is a new upgraded version of the charger for the Agri T40, T50, T20P, T25, and T30. So we're used to using this right here. This is the DJI C8000 charger. We've used this going into our third season. It works great, but this provides more power. Drones get bigger, fields get bigger, we want to spray more, and so we have a bigger charger. 10,000 watts versus 8,000 watts. That means a little bit more charging power out of the C10000 charger. Now, it's a bit more different than that. We don't just have more charging power, we also have a longer cord to plug into our batteries, as opposed to our very short 1.5 foot cord here. And we also have a plug that is ready to go into our cooling station, just like that. And then you can drop your battery in and it will mate up to the charger, just like that. And this charger will actually run the fans on the cooling station. It will turn the fans off whenever the battery gets hot, or turn the fans on when the battery gets hot, turn them off when the battery cools down. Of course, you don't have to run a cooling station with this charger. You can plug it directly into the battery, just like with the T30 charger. In comparison, on the T30 charger, if you want to run the cooling station, you have to get an adapter cord, because this does not plug into the cooling station. So run your adapter cord here, and then you run it into your cooling station here. You can see the same style plug that we have on our C10000 chargers on our adapter cable here. The C10000s can also plug into the older style cooling stations or the newer style cooling stations. Now, one drawback on the C10000 is we do only have one lead. So unlike the T30 charger, we'll charge one battery and then switch to the next battery, the C10000 charger charges one battery and then it's done, and you swap it out to the next battery. Because it charges faster, as long as you are operating your cycles properly, then you should see a bit better overall charging speed, even with the swapping out with the one cord, than the C8000 charger. One more thing about the C8000 charger, you can only run this on 240 volts. You can plug in one cord and it'll run on 240 volts, or two cords on 240 volts, but you can't plug into 110. The C10000 or C8000 charger, you can run it on a 110 cord and plug it into your shop or your house to really slow charge your batteries. Cannot do that here. This is really made for in the field, fast charging, repetitive charging, and field operation. So if you would like to get a C10000 charger or have more questions, let us know. Thanks.